Hello everyone. In this lecture we will discuss Ohm's law. For most of the substances, the current density, that is J, that is volume current density, is directly proportional to F. So here J is the volume current density and small f is the force per unit charge. And we can write above questions like this, that is J is equal to sigma F. Suppose this is question number 1. So here sigma is a proportionality constant and is the known as conductivity, and so here conductivity varies from material to material. So here even insulator has small conductivity, but the conductivity of metal is 10 raised to power 22 or more times than the insulator. Okay, so here conductivity of metal is 10 raised to power 22 times than the insulator. So here for most of the practical purposes, for most practical purposes, we consider that for metal, that is metal can be considered as perfect conductor. That is with sigma equals to infinity. Okay, so next point here is small f. So small f is the driving force. So is the driving force. This may be chemical, gravitational, and electromagnetic. Okay, so here in case of a electromagnetic force, this volume current density is equals to sigma. So here in case of electromagnetic, the force we can write E plus V cross B. So here this V, that is the velocity of charge, is very small, so we can ignore the second term of the equation. So finally we can write J equals to sigma E. So this J equals to sigma E is known as Ohm's law. So this is a Ohm's law. So we can say this is a special case of equation number 1, that is where J is equal to sigma F. But conventionally we write Ohm's law like this: V is equals to IR. So V is the voltage, I is the current, and R is the resistance here. So if we couple these two, that is here we have, that is J equals to sigma E and V equals to IR, then both are interrelated. That is, if we double the voltage, then it will double the electric field and it will double the current density, and as a result finally it double the current. Okay, so here for steady current and uniform conductivity, we can write E equal to J over sigma, because J is equals to sigma E, so we can write electric field equal to J over sigma. So if we take the divergence of this electric field, then it is equals to 1 over sigma del dot J, and this term is equals to 0. So here del dot J, that is divergence of volume current density, equals to 0. It means charge density rho is equals to 0, because del dot J is equals to 0. Therefore charge density, that is rho, is equals to 0. It means any unbalanced charge resides on the surface. It resides on the surface. So it simply mean, because del dot J is equals to 0, that is divergence of volume current density equals to 0, it means charge density, volume charge density is equals to 0. So it implies that any unbalanced charge reside on the surface of the material. Okay, thank you.